There is a question that everyone has ever asked themselves. What makes someone a person? What's the difference between all living things? Is it something we can control or something that is already predisposed? This is the story of all of us and begins in the female body. The spermatozoon is formed in the testicles and has three parts: head, middle piece, and tail. In the head is the nucleus that contains 23 chromosomes. Of millions of sperm, only one will be able to join the egg. The ovum is produced in the ovaries. Its nucleus also contains 23 chromosomes. The spermatozoon crosses several layers until reaching the cytoplasm of the ovule, where it will join next to the female pronucleus. Once joined, the number of chromosomes will be completed: 46 chromosomes, 44 somatic and 2 sexual. But as you know, we don't have a single cell, so it will have to divide many times to form the embryo. But don't worry, each one will have the same information. Now, it's important to know how the information is written in our cells. The language they use is very simple because it only uses 4 letters. C, cytosine; G, guanine; A, adenine; and T, thymine. They look small but contain long chains formed with the letter A, C, G, and T. So much that if you stretch a whole cell, it will measure approximately 2 meters. Seems little, but we have millions of cells, so altogether we'll measure the length of a trip back and forth to the moon from the Earth 7,000 times. The parts of the chromosomes are long arm, short arm, and centromere, and the locus is the place where a gene is located. A gene is a part of DNA, and it's like a plane that indicates the form for the manufacture of proteins, and it works with the help of RNA. RNA is the copy of one of the strands of DNA. Only in this writing change the T by the uracil. After this process, pieces of RNA without information called introns are deleted, and only the remaining information will be read and transformed into proteins. The RNA will be read each 3 letters and form an amino acid, and the whole of this will form a protein. And when all the information has been read, this protein will go to the cytoplasm. But a gene could be read in different ways if only one letter were changed. So a gene can generate several proteins. My name is Tico, and I believe that we are science. What about you?